All of these look delicious, doesn't it? You could dig right in and you would certainly never regret it. Of course, salt would make it that much better. Here's the challenge in kitchen, getting the right amount of salt with ease.
Too little and your dish lacks flavor. Too much and all your hard work goes down the drain. Salt dispensers, whether high-end or basic, let you down. Shake too hard and you'll flood your dish. Pour directly and it's disaster. Total excess, overwhelming the flavor. It's all just guesswork, and guesswork doesn't cut it. That's where our new innovation can make the difference.
Introducing SatlDripia, it is a patent-pending salt dispenser for precise and convenient extraction of salt. And all components are made of food-grade material in high-end.
Our development process went through 5 iterations in 2 years. Through it all, we have consistently infused our passion and creativity into addressing the question of how to use salt in a more convenient and healthier way. Our relentless pursuit led to a solution that balances taste and health. So, how does it work?
Our unique adaptive 6-level precision dispensing components and Auxiliary Retrieval Mechanism, ARM,
Can help
receive the exact amount of salt effortlessly.
First, fill SatlDripia with salt through bottom cover, then till it and pull out selected plaque to sprinkle salt, and then return the plaque. It will automatically lock. It's just that simple.
From highlight flavors with just 0.5 grams, or 1/10 of a teaspoon, to seasoning dishes for a big meal with 3.0 grams, or a half teaspoons, SatlDripia cuts out the guesswork once and for all.
We've aligned our gradations with the American Heart Association salt recommendations, so whether you need a pinch, a dash, or more salt, Dripia has you covered. And therefore, you can consciously follow their daily salt intake guidance with ease to avoid negative health impact, which is no more than 6 grams salt per day. Remember, in some cultures, spilling salt accidentally is believed to bring bad luck. Thankfully, with our auxiliary retrieval mechanism, you never need to worry about any accidental spills again. At home or on the go, Soldier is peel-proof, and with 300 grams capacity,
It is an amazing salt dispenser, but SatlDripia is beyond that.
experience the ultimate bar ribes right at home. Transform your favorite cocktails and beverages into a delightful altar delight with ease. SatlDripia unique bottom cover lets you effortlessly ream your glass, elevating your drink and meal experience to a whole new level.